Now the thing about Newquay is that there's always something to do. Ooh. That's some beach, isn't it? No matter what beach you're at Newquay, you can guarantee two things. There'll be a surf school and plenty of places to eat and drink. There's loads of these lovely secluded little spots as well, but accessibility can be a problem. Now, one of the things I love to do when I go away to these coastal destinations in England and Wales is just have a good look around and see what's about to explore. You've got the beautiful Fistral Beach, it's wonderful there, you know, brilliant, and supposed to be one of the world's best for surfing and all of that. But then you climb down a few steps, a few rocky surfaces, and you end up in a place like this with no one else about except me and you. And I love exploring. And Newquay's full of these. So many parts of England and Wales are full of these places. But get out and explore them. Come down, just come off the beaten track just a tiny bit. And you see gems like this. It's incredible, isn't it? Just listen to these tunes. Where are we? Have a look. Can't go wrong. Lusty Glaze beach is just fantastic. It's a tiny little cove, really low down from the main area of Newquay. Family friendly, dogs everywhere, digging holes, playing in the sea, great music as you can hear. It's just a wonderful vibe, terrific vibe. For a day and an evening, there is no better place to go in Newquay. Trust me, it's brilliant. Now, if you're wondering where Newquay got its name, I'm sure you are. It's actually incredibly boring. Edmund Lacey, the Bishop of Exeter, granted what they call an indulgence to build a new quay in the town. And somewhat bizarrely, that's where they left it in terms of naming it. Say what you see, Newquay. Of course, the place is also well known for the presence of seals in and around the harbour, stealing off the fishing boats. I think the fishing boats actually look after the seals quite well. So if you come here for a holiday, obviously the part of the draw of Newquay is the beaches, the bustling beaches, and lots of water sports and restaurants and bars and activity and life. But yeah, take a bit of time out also to have a look at some of these trails and just soak in the nature, because it's well worth it. We're luckier than we think in this country in terms of where we can go. This coastal part of England has the fiercest landscape you could ever imagine, really. The rock faces are ridiculous. I mean, look at this. And look, sleep drop there, straight down. You have to soak it all up, eh? You get such a speck of nature, really, when you look around. And you think half of this cliff face will be gone, I guess, in many decades' time, as it all falls away. I mean, it's such a characterful, I think that's the word I'm looking for, characterful coastal scene. So if you want some tragically dull history, this is Hewer's Hut. And it was used many, many centuries ago to try and spot shoals of pilchards out there in the deep blue sea. Presumably so the boats could go out and have a look. There you have it, Hewer's Hut. And lastly, if you want a good night out Newquay has plenty of options, although aside from a cheeky pint and game here and there, I didn't sample too much of the nightlife, to be honest. I was tucked up in bed by 11 in what was a fantastic hostel.